Welcome to rapidcarloans.net. Poor credit cannot hold you back from buying your dream car. Cars are not a luxury in America. Anyone can buy a brand new automobile. Poor credit auto buyers should not worry about buying a new car, because Rapid Car Loans brings affordable poor credit car loans program. If you have bad credit history, it doesn't mean that you should compromise by buying a used car. Rapid Car Loans is here to fulfill your every car dream. Get better rates than the market and enjoy rapid approval. The company gives you a unique opportunity of buying a new car and improving your credit score as well. With lowest rates on car financing for poor credit, you can improve your score easily. Poor credit car loans can be availed without down payment. You don't have to part with your savings for putting money down. Use the rebates from the new car as down payment. Alternatively, you can trade in your old car and lower the poor credit new car loan amount. Poor credit car financing program from rapidcarloans.net is ideal for every car enthusiast with credit issues. The company understands your situation, and so it ensures easy car loan approval process. There is no application fee, and the car loan quotes are totally free. Simply fill in the 100% secure application form and get approved for a new car loan in 2 business days. Simplicity with efficiency. That's what Rapid Car Loans believes in. Apply now and become a part of our happy customer group. For more information on new car loans for poor credit borrowers, visit us at www.rapidcarloans.net. Or, if any question, you can email to us at finance@rapidcarloans.net. Have a happy new car shopping. Best of luck.